Okay, hello back to our digital maths tutor classroom. Uh, what we do here, we teach maths purely. You can see math for those in the junior primary school, junior secondary school, senior primary school, senior secondary school, adult learners, as well as those preparing for external examinations. So the topic we'll be treating today is on percentages. This topic is for both adult learners, senior primary learners, as well as those preparing for external examination, especially common entrance exams. And our subtopic will be on expressing numbers as percentages of questions. These are the questions you see so common. So this class, even teachers teaching children and especially parents, you need to get this in because it helps. Your kids may not learn so well in the school, but video tutorials is so wonderful for them because they can have their time to go back, rewatch until they master it. And they can always do this at the comfort of their home, so they are not under pressure. A child can be relaxed on a sofa and learn. And that's why it's good. So I encourage you, if you are seeing us for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Very important. We'll cover mathematics at these levels, and it's for good and for you. So please like this video and do not forget to share in every parent forum or learners forum where you belong so that they can be part of this. These are free resources. No one is charging you anything. So I'm going to give up to 2 examples now on how to solve problems on expressing numbers as a percentage of quantities. When we talk about quantities, it could mean anything. It could be in naira, it could be in currency, it could be in quantities like time, it could be in quantities like oranges, bags of rice, and all that. So how do you express these quantities in percentages using a particular number? So let's look at our first example. Number 1, you are asked to express 20. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. Remember, you listen to me and understand what we are doing here. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. When you are given something like this, what do you do? Now let's look at the solution. What you need to do is to what? You say 20 over 50 times 100 over 1. Immediately you hear percentage, this is exactly the way to express it. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. This is the way to express it. Learners, children, please learn this. You will help your teachers. It's so super. That's why teachers should also be part of this. You can refer your children to see this kind of resource. We'll call it, you know what it means. The kids go home, they learn this. Then when they come back to the class the following day, I just wanted to remember what we normally call it. I might take man, so there's something we'll call this flip classroom. Yes, this is flipping. The kids must have learned this. So when you as a teacher, you are teaching the children the following morning, already class becomes, easy. Everyone is learning, even what they want to call those students. They have mastered this. So that's why video lesson is so superb and so wonderful. And that's what we see do. So when you place it this way, at this point, any child at this level knows what to do. 0 on the numerator, cancel the 0 on the denominator. Since there's no other zeros, I can now look at common factors. Any common factor between a number in the denominator and a number in the numerator. If you check now, the two numerators we have is 20 and 10, while the denominator is 5. And a common factor can be 5. 5 go here 1, go in 10 is 2. We now have 20 and 2 remaining. 20 times 2 is 40. Then all over 1 times 1 is 1. And any number divided by 1 is that same number. So this is 40. And what you're having here is 40%. Because you have asked to express it in percentage. It is not 40 naira. It's not 40. It's not. Again, so kids, children should be able to understand. This is part of the answer. You don't just write 40. If I'm your examiner, if this particular question carries 5 marks, a child that gets it correctly and write 40% gets 5 marks. But if you just write 40, I'll still mark it, but I'm going to give you 3. You're going to lose 2. Or if I'm so kind, at that time, I'll give you 4. You needed to put that percentage, very, very important. And this is why some kids miss it when it comes to, having good results or whatever mark in their exams. So that's the first example. Now let's quickly go to the next example. Here you are asked to express this one. I love this because it's going to teach us something. Express 45 minutes. 45 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. Are you getting it? 45 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. So what do you do? Now I'm going to show you, please. Express 45 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. Now, it's supposed to be like this. Am I right? Like what we'll give as an example. Say 45 minutes over 1 hour times 100 over 1. Children, pay attention. Learners, pay attention now. When you see this, look at 45 minutes. Though these quantities are in time. 45 minutes is time, 1 hour is time, but they are not at the same level of quantities. This minutes, this hour. You can't start cancelling this. Please try to convert the entire thing to the lower value or the lower quantity. Minutes is lower than hours because minutes make hours. So convert 1 hour to minutes. So you're now going to have 45 over 60, because 1 hour is 60 minutes, times 100 over 1. Now you can now cancel this, cancels that. Now I can go, I was okay, let me use a common factor between 6 and 45. 3 can go here to give me 2. 3 going 45 will give me 15. I'm sure you know that. For those who are slow learners, just do your calculation, is true. Then 2 also is a common factor between 2 and 10. 2 go here 1, 2 go in 5, 10 is 5. I have 5 here, please. So now I'm having 15 and 5 up there. 15 times 5 is 75. Remember over 1, which is the same thing. So the answer is 75%. So 45 being expressed as a percentage of 1 hour will give you 75%. It simply means that the 75% of 1 hour is 45 minutes. That's what it means. Do you understand? This is exactly how it works. So that's how to express numbers as a percentage of quantities. So at this point, we are going to stop here. I'm sure if you go through this video once, twice, even 3 times, you have mastered it for life. For parents who stay at home moms, you can have a wonderful adult class in your home without paying anybody by being part of this. These are free resources. Watch over and over again and master it. It can help you to teach your children when they are home, when they are on break, or even for one reason or the other, children are not in school. It can help you. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you once again for watching. God bless you.